Take a moment and really look at this. Seriously, how wild does this thing appear? What you're seeing here is the Audi Concept C, and it's far more than just a flashy showpiece. This car is essentially Audi pulling back the curtain on what's coming next. It represents the beginning of an entirely new chapter for the brand, built around a bold, fresh design philosophy that Audi calls its Radical Next era. The first thing that immediately stands out is the emphasis on vertical design. Everything about this car feels tall, sharp, and upright. The front end in particular is dominated by strong vertical elements. You'll notice vertical lighting signatures inside the headlights, positioned behind the grille. And that same visual language is echoed throughout the car. Even the front splitter follows this theme. It's made from forged carbon fiber that's been tinted, giving it a unique depth and texture rather than the usual exposed carbon look. But the headlights themselves deserve special attention. These aren't ordinary lights. They're dynamic, mechanical, and almost alive. The lighting elements can physically compress and expand, changing shape depending on whether you're using the high beams or low beams. When activated, they even perform subtle movements, little light dances that feel straight out of a science fiction movie. It's the kind of feature that makes you stop and think. This doesn't feel like a concept car anymore. This feels like the future arriving early. Step back and take in the entire vehicle, and you might notice something familiar. The overall silhouette blends characteristics from iconic Audi models like the TT and the R8. It's not copying either one, but instead fusing their DNA into something new. Importantly, this isn't just a random design exercise. Audi has made it clear that this concept forms the foundation for a production model. They intend to launch around 2027. This car isn't just a dream, it's a roadmap dot along the sides. The design continues to impress. The wheels are inspired by the Audi TT, featuring 6 spokes and a center-locking setup that screams performance. The body panels are sharply sculpted near the front, then gradually smooth out as you move toward the rear, creating a natural flow from aggressive to elegant. Audi has always excelled at making concept cars that aren't just beautiful but functional. And this one is no exception. This vehicle is fully drivable. It's not a hollow shell or static display piece. If we weren't inside a studio right now, this car could actually move under its own power. At the rear, you'll find more familiar Audi cues but reimagined. The taillights echo the front lighting concept, with expandable and retractable elements that mirror the futuristic theme. Audi has also revived something longtime fans will appreciate: physical aluminum branding. Instead of flat, printed rings, you get brushed aluminum Audi logos that you can actually touch. It feels premium, solid, and intentional. Return to materials that feel real. The paint deserves its own discussion. The finish is a titanium-inspired silver tone, very much in line with Audi's heritage of metallic greys and silvers. However, this particular shade does something special in person. It reacts beautifully to light and shadow, making the surfaces appear to shift and blend seamlessly. Audi has experimented with futuristic finishes before, like the concept police vehicle imagined for the year 2035. And this feels like a natural evolution of that vision. From certain angles, the rear almost looks like an alien spacecraft, and honestly, that's part of the charm. Another key detail: this is a convertible. The C in Concept C can stand for coupe or convertible, depending on how you interpret it. The roof retracts, transforming the car's character completely. Before opening it up, though, quick mention: if you're into buying or selling rare, exotic, or truly unique cars, sbxcars.com is the place to do it. Whether it's classics, supercars, or limited production vehicles, that platform specializes in cars that stand out just like this one. Now let's talk about the interior, because this is where Audi really shows its vision for the future. There are no traditional door handles. Instead, a subtle illuminated panel responds to your touch and opens the door smoothly. Step inside, and you immediately realize that everything here is a preview of what Audi plans to bring to its production cars in the coming years. The materials are unexpected yet luxurious. You'll find textiles integrated into the seats and panels, paired with layered construction and vertical stitching that continues the exterior design language. The bucket seats feel sculpted, supportive, and modern. Every surface feels carefully considered. Once inside, the cockpit becomes all about the driver. The central infotainment screen can actually rotate and disappear completely. When it's hidden, you're left with a clean, distraction-free driving environment focused solely on the road. When you need it, say, for music or navigation, it smoothly reappears. It's a brilliant balance between digital convenience and analog purity. There are also clever storage solutions hidden throughout the cabin. Panels that look purely decorative can rotate to reveal small compartments, concealed behind frosted, translucent glass. Wireless charging is seamlessly integrated into the upper console. No clutter, no fuss. The steering wheel offers another glimpse into Audi's future. It features floating controls with haptic feedback, giving you physical confirmation with every input. The layout feels intuitive, and the controls have a satisfying weight to them. Audi's signature Quattro influence is evident here as well, reinforcing the brand's performance heritage. Lighting plays a huge role inside the cabin. Instead of harsh, direct illumination, Audi uses indirect ambient light that reflects softly off tinted forged carbon fiber surfaces. The effect makes the entire interior feel like it's glowing. Vertical air vents reinforce the design theme, and even the side mirrors are digital, fed by rear-facing cameras. Performance feedback is displayed through a horizontal speed readout, emphasizing motion and speed rather than traditional gauges. When launch control is activated, the interior lighting shifts to red, signaling that the car is ready to go. It's immersive, dramatic, and very intentional. Closing the door reveals yet another design highlight. The exterior handles feature a subtle underglow, and the anodized aluminum trim feels smooth and premium, almost like it's been sun-blasted for a soft, refined texture. Stepping back out, it's clear that this concept isn't just about aesthetics. It's about direction. This car represents where Audi is headed, not just in terms of design, but in how cars will feel, interact, and connect with drivers. This is Audi's vision of the future. And if this is what's coming by 2027, things are about to get very interesting. Let me know what you think of the Concept C. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.